On April 13, 2029, an asteroid the size of 3 football fields will pass so close to Earth that it will fly beneath our satellites, and you'll be able to see it with your naked eye streaking across the sky. This isn't science fiction. This is Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, and it's about to give humanity the closest encounter we've ever had with an asteroid of this magnitude. In just over 4 years, this 370-meter-wide space rock will come within 31,000 kilometers of our planet, closer than the communication satellites orbiting above us right now. For the first time in recorded history, billions of people will witness an asteroid flyby visible without any telescope, a celestial event that occurs once every 1,000 years. When Apophis was first discovered on June 19, 2004, by astronomers Roy Tucker, David Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona, it immediately caught the attention of the global scientific community. Initial calculations sent shockwaves through NASA and space agencies worldwide. The asteroid was given a rating on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, and for the first time in history, an object achieved a Level 4 rating, indicating a close encounter with a significant threat of regional devastation. Some early orbital predictions suggested a terrifyingly small chance that Apophis could actually collide with Earth during its 2029 approach. The world held its breath as astronomers scrambled to refine their calculations, gathering data from observatories across the globe. Within weeks, as more observations poured in and orbital mechanics were recalculated with greater precision, scientists were able to rule out any possibility of impact in 2029. However, the story didn't end there. Attention then shifted to a potential impact during Apophis's next close approach in 2036. For years, this possibility lingered in scientific discussions and public consciousness, creating ongoing concern about. Speaking of planetary defense, Apophis has played a crucial role in advancing our capabilities to protect Earth from asteroid impacts. The initial scare in 2004 catalyzed increased funding and attention for near-Earth object detection programs. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office was established partly in response to concerns about objects like Apophis. The asteroid has been used in numerous simulation exercises, including tabletop scenarios where scientists, emergency managers, and government officials practice responding to a potential impact threat. In 2022, NASA successfully completed the DART mission, deliberately crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid Dimorphos to test whether we could change an asteroid's orbit through kinetic impact. This mission was directly inspired by the need to develop technologies that could be used against threats like Apophis if they were on a collision course. The lessons learned from tracking and studying Apophis have informed the development of next-generation survey telescopes designed to find and track potentially hazardous asteroids years or even decades before they pose any threat. The cultural impact of Apophis cannot be understated. Named after Apep, the ancient Egyptian deity representing chaos and destruction, the asteroid has captured public imagination in ways few other space objects have. It has appeared in numerous documentaries, science fiction stories, and has become a symbol of both the fragility of life on Earth and humanity's growing capability to understand and potentially defend against cosmic threats. The 2029 flyby will likely be one of the most widely observed astronomical events in human history, possibly surpassing the viewership of solar eclipses or planetary alignments. Educational institutions are already planning curricula around the event, and science communicators are preparing programs to help the public understand and appreciate this remarkable occurrence. The event provides a unique opportunity